Hi guys, this is Praveen. Today we are going to learn about jQuery plugins. So, what is jQuery plugin? jQuery plugin is nothing but you are creating a new method for jQuery prototype object. So, it will be a common if you are creating a plugin means you are creating a new method. It will be accessible as like a can see dot fade out, add class. These are the methods for jQuery prototype object. This is quite simple. So what is jQuery plugin? jQuery plugin is a new method for jQuery prototype object. So let's get started how to create a jQuery plugin. So here I'm taking Visual Studio. This is my favorite one. Why? Because it gives you a better intelligence for jQuery, JavaScript. For these are things that I like. It gives an intelligence. Or else you can use the other IDE like Notepad plus plus, or you can simply use Notepad or text. So let's get into this. Here I already downloaded the jQuery latest version 2.2.0. I have minified version and I have developer version. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one simple HTML file. Let's give it as a sample HTML. So it doesn't have anything, just the body and head, everything, it's a common. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a JavaScript file. So the JavaScript I'm going to give is the name like my first plugin. So this is my plugin. And now let's create the simple one. Keep in mind you don't get the intelligence right now. So in order to get this, you have to import this file and drop here and now type it. You will get the intelligence. It's the awesome feature in Visual Studio. So basically, if you are creating a plugin, means you are creating a method. So in order to create a method, you have to type the syntax which I am showing here, the angular dot fn. Sorry, this is dollar. The dollar dot fn. Fn says that that's a function, and dot and what function you want to give, you can name it. Let's write my first plugin, and I'm going to write a anonymous method here. Okay, so now I'm going to write this refers a selector here. The within the braces, within brackets, you can see this keyword. This means a selector. If you are mentioning like this, it means you are selecting the selector. Dot, and I'm adding some simple text here. See, hello world, this is my first jQuery plugin. That's it. You have created your first jQuery plugin. So you have created your plugin, but you haven't utilized it anywhere. So right now we have to write our. Can you take the other JS file and name it using my plugin? So now you have to drop this one, and then let's see. I'm expecting you already know this syntax. This one, ready, document.ready means after completely loaded the DOM object, then only run this function. That's that it says. And right now I'm going to create one div tag, and I'm going to name it like my div. Okay, so clearly observe I haven't written anything between the div tags, right? Sorry, something, yeah, right. See, this is my div tag, and I haven't written anything between that. So this text will be appear once the document is loaded. How I'm going to do that? It's very simple. I have to select that element, and this one is means I'm selecting the ID as my selector, my div dot. What is my that? My not getting right. So your plugin needs to be imported here. Sorry again, something is happening. So this is my plugin I'm dropping here, and now I can access my first plugin. Right, now I'm closing this one, which means, sorry, right, so that's it. I'm going to run this page. Before that, I have to refer this jQuery and my using my plugin, and also my plugin. So all this should be at the bottom. So let's run this. Nothing happened. I can debug using this. So ready. Okay, I got it. Ready. It should be ready. What simple spelling mistake. And also why it's not working. The reload it. Okay. Flash sample not working. Document dot ready. Console is not throwing any error. My plugin, the query, my plugin. Whoa, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. My first plugin using my plugin should work. It's not working. Okay, so now you can see. So this is my div. I'm calling this my first plugin, and this my first plugin contains the HTML content, and you can see this is the text I have entered, and now you can see hello world, this is my first jQuery plugin. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.